So hello everyone. We have discussed many terminology related to our number system. We have discussed about the definition of rational number, irrational number, whole number, prime number, how we find out a rational number, how we find out that whether a number is terminating or non-terminating, how we find out that whether a number is terminating or non-terminating without any division. We have also understand about the representation of real numbers and root under numbers in the number line. We have also discussed about the rationalization of binomial, monomial, or 3 or 4 types of terms related question. Now we are going to discuss about the laws of exponents for the real numbers. We all aware about the laws of exponent, but these are also applicable. Is these are also applicable for the real numbers? This type of topics we will discuss in this class. Now we know that laws of exponent. The first law of exponent is suppose A is any real number. Suppose A is any real number. When A is any real number, A is any real number, then first law state that when A to the power m means power of any real number into A to the power n means power of another power of the same real number is given in the question. Here the bases are equal. This is called base and this is called exponent. These are called exponent, or it is also called power. So when the bases are equal and powers or exponent are different, and these two numbers or the real numbers are in multiplication with each other, then we simply take base as common and exponents is going to be added. Means we take base common A and add the exponent. This is the first law of exponent, in which if the bases are equal and exponents are different, we take base as common and add the exponent. The example of this law is 1 by 2 to the power minus 4 into 1 by 2 to the power 2. If the question is like this, it follows the same law. Here also the bases are same and exponent are different. So when the bases are same, we know that we take base as common. So we take 1 by 2 as common, and when these two are in multiplication, we add the exponent. So minus 4 is added with 2. So it gives 1 by 2 to the power minus 2. This is our required answer as according to the first law of exponent. Please write it in your copy. Now the second law states that when the bases are common and exponent are different, but they are in division, it is also written as a to the power m by a to the power m. When the bases are equal and exponent are different and they are in the division form, then we take base common and subtract the exponent. This is the required answer. We take base as common and subtract the exponent. We take an example of this law. Suppose minus 3 by 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 3 to the power 4, 3 by 4 to the power 4. This is the question. Here we also take base as common because bases are equal and exponent are different and these two are in the division form. So we take base as common. Minus 3 by 4, we take minus 3 by 4 common and the difference of the exponent. So 5 minus 4. It gives minus 3 by 4 to the power 1. This is the required solution of second law of exponent. Please write it in your copy. Now the third is when a single base is given but there are two exponents for a single base. Means there is a single base but they have two exponents. So in this type of law, when there is a single base having two exponents, they are in the bracket form, then we simply take the base and multiply the exponent. We simply take the base a and multiply the exponents. The example of this law is minus 3 by 2 to the power minus 2 again to the power minus 4. So the solution of this question is 3 by 2. We know that the bases are going to be multiplied according to the laws of exponent. So multiply the exponent. That is minus 3 by 2 to the power 4 2s are 8 and minus comes even times. When we know that when minus comes even times, the result is plus. So it is minus 3 by 2 to the power 8. This is the required solution of third laws of exponent. Now, the fourth law is, please write it in your copy. Now, the fourth law is, when the bases are different but the exponents are same. When the bases are different but exponents are same. When the bases are different but the exponent are same, we take the operation between the bases and taking common exponent. Means we take exponent common to both the real numbers and do the operation which is given in the question. Here the operation is multiply, so we multiply these two numbers. So it is ab to the power n. So the example of this law is, suppose minus 3 by 8 to the power 4 into minus 8 by 3 to the power 4 is given. Here the bases are different but the exponents are same. So we do the operation of bases taking exponent as common. So 3 by 8 into minus 8 by 3 taking exponent common. 3 cancel 3, 8 cancel 8. Here minus come 2 times, so it gives plus, and no number is left here, so remainder is 1. So 1 to the power 4, its answer is 1. So these are the 4 laws of exponent. The next law is when the exponent is in negative. When the exponent is in negative, suppose a by b is given a real number whose exponent is minus n. So how we convert this negative exponent into positive one? So this law states that for converting negative exponent into positive one, we simply take the reciprocal of base. We take the reciprocal of base. Here the base is a by b, so we take the reciprocal of that base for converting negative exponent into positive one. So we take b by a, and then the negative exponent is converted into positive one. This is the 5th law of exponent. The example of this law is, suppose we have 2 to the power minus 4. If the exponent is in minus form, we are able to solve this question. So first of all, we have to convert this negative exponent into positive one. So for converting the negative exponent into positive one, we have to find the reciprocal of the base. Here the base is 2, but not, the base is not only the 2, the base is 2 by 1. So it is also written as 2 by 1 to the power minus 4. So we find the reciprocal of that base. So here the base is 2 by 1, so the reciprocal of this base is 1 by 2 to the power 4. So our answer is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So it gives 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So it is 1 by 16. This is the required answer. So these are the 5 laws related to the laws of exponent. One more law is there, the 6th law, and the most important law. When the exponent are in the form of 0, if the exponent is 0, so when any number having exponent 0, it always gives 1. This is the 6th law. Means any number raised to the power 0 is always gives 1. Whatever the number is, if it raised to the power 0, it always gives 1. Example is, when we take, suppose we take 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, raised to the power 0, it gives 1. Suppose we take minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 to the power 4 to whole power 0. No need to solve this question. The exponent is 0. Why? Because the laws of exponent state that when these two numbers are in the bracket form, we simply multiply these two, m into n. So 4 into 0, it gives minus 3 by 4 into minus 3 by 4 to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 always gives 1. So our answer is 1 in this question. Write it in your copy. So few questions related to these 6 laws. These 6 laws are very important to solve any type of real number questions. Suppose the power is in reciprocal form. Suppose the question is 2 to the power 1 by 4 into 3 to the power 1 by 4. Here the reciprocals, here the exponent are in the fractional form, but the numbers, the bases are in the whole number or prime number, natural number form. So here the exponents are equal, but the bases are different. We know that when the exponents are equal and bases are different, we solve the base taking exponent common. So we take exponent common 1 by 4 and solve the base. 3 to 6, so it gives 6 to the power 1 by 4. This is our answer. Second is when minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 by 6 into minus 6 raised to the power 1 by 4 is given. This is the question. Here there is also an exponent or the laws follows here. The bases are same, and the exponent are different, and these two are in multiplication with each other. So we know that when the numbers having the bases same and they are in the multiplication form, we simply add the exponent taking base common. So we add the exponent taking base common, it gives minus 6. The LCM of 6 and 4 gives 12. 6 2 is 12, 4 3 is 12. So it gives minus 6 1 by 12. Minus 6 to the power 1 by 12. This is the required answer. Similarly, we take some more examples here. Now if the number is minus 5 raised to the power minus 4 by 3 by minus 5 raised to the power minus 3 by 2. Here we apply one another law. When the number are having the base common and exponent are different, and these two numbers are in division form. Here by indicates that the two numbers are in division form and having the same base and exponent are different. So we know that when the bases are same and exponent are different and they are in the division form, we subtract the exponent. So minus 5 minus 4 by 3. Here minus come 2 times. We know that when minus come even times, it gives plus. So it is 3 by 2. So minus 5. We take 6 as LCM. 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, plus 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9. So it gives minus 5 raised to the power 9 minus 8 gives 1 by 6. This is the required answer. Now we take one more example. If the number is minus 5 by 4 raised to the power 4 into minus 3 by 2 raised to the power 4. Here the bases are different and the exponent are same. So when the exponent are same and bases are different, we take the operation of base here, taking exponent common. So 5 3s are 15, minus come 2 times, so it gives plus, 4 2s are 8 to the power 4. This is the answer. Now take one more example. If 5 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power 2 by 3 is the question. So we applied two or more exponent laws in the same question. Here anything raised to the power 0, we know that the 6 laws state that anything raised to the power 0 always gives 1. So 5 raised to the power 0 gives 1. 5 to the power 1 by 2 into 5 to the power 2 by 3. In these two bases are same, so we take base common, and these two are in the multiplication form, so we add the numbers. So it gives 1 into 5 to the power, take 6 as LCM, 3 to the 6 and 4. So 1 into 5 to the power 7 by 6. Anything multiplied with 1 always gives the same number. So 5 to the power 7 by 6 is the required answer. So by these laws we can easily solve the exponential and the real number questions by using these laws. One more example. Take one more example. If the question is 3 to the power minus 3 by 4 into 3 to the power minus 1 by 4 divided by 3 to the power 3 by 2. In this question we use two laws simultaneously. First law is when these two numbers are in multiplication form, bases are equal and exponent are different. So we take 3 as common, and when they are in multiplication we know that the exponents are going to be added, so we add the exponents. So it gives 3 minus is in 1 times, so it is in odd times. So when minus comes odd times, it gives minus. So minus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. So it gives minus 3 to the power, taking 4 as LCM, minus 3 minus 1, so it gives 3 raised to the power minus 4 by 4 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. It gives 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 raised to the power 3 by 2. Now these two are in division form, having same base. So when these are in division form having same base, the exponents are going to be subtracted. So we subtract minus 1 minus 3 by 2. So it gives it is 3. So it gives 3. We take 2 as LCM, minus 2 minus 3. So our answer is 3 to the power minus 5 by 2. Here the exponents are in negative form. They are in negative form. So we know that when the exponents are in negative form, how we convert this negative form into positive? By reciprocating the base. So we can also write it as 1 by 3 to the power 5 by 2. This is the required solution of this question. So we have discussed about the laws of exponent and few questions related to laws of exponent. So if there is any doubt in this video, ask question related to this video and your doubts in the comment section. Thank you.